Located in Lagoa de Conceição, Florianópolis, Brazil, this 350 square meter home is surrounded by the lush Atlantic forest. Designed by Bloco B Arquitetura for a family from São Paulo, the house was created as a peaceful retreat where architecture and nature become part of the same experience. The main design idea was to connect every living space with the surrounding landscape. Large windows were carefully placed to frame the forest, from the tall Garapuva trees to the marmosets that live in the nearby protected area. The greenery becomes part of everyday life, reflecting across the swimming pool and filling the interior with changing views throughout the seasons. The architects also wanted the house to express the beauty of honest materials. Exposed concrete became the main feature of the project, showing the marks left by reusable plastic formwork instead of hiding them. Rather than covering these natural imperfections, the design celebrates them, giving the house a strong yet simple character. To soften the concrete, natural wood, carefully selected furniture and handcrafted design pieces from Santa Catarina bring warmth and personality to the interiors. The family's love of cooking also influenced the layout. The kitchen and dining area were placed in one of the best locations in the house, overlooking the forest and opening directly to nature. Outside, a vegetable garden and fruit trees become part of the family's daily routine, making the landscape not just something to admire, but something to live with every day. This balance continues throughout the house. Steel handrails, a metal staircase, and copper-colored metal screens add texture, while helping control sunlight and provide privacy. As daylight moves across the house, these elements create changing patterns of light and shadow, making the spaces feel different throughout the day. Wooden cabinetry adds warmth and neatly organizes the home's everyday functions, creating a comfortable balance between practicality and beauty. Sustainability was another important part of the design. Instead of relying on complex systems, the architects focused on durable materials and simple construction solutions that are well suited to Florianopolis's humid climate. Every decision was made to create a house that would be easy to maintain and comfortable to live in for many years. More than a modern home, this project is a quiet retreat where architecture works together with nature. Concrete, steel, wood, and natural light come together to create spaces that feel calm, honest, and deeply connected to the Atlantic forest that surrounds them.